Guys, mag-walking na po ni guys. Naami sa Europe, Clear Lake. Kaya namin to, di ba? So I'm walking guys with my friend, of course. Hi. This is our backyard. Guys, mauni among swimming pool diri guys. Oh, uy, mahuga ni kadira. Oh, nara swimming pool oh.
Hi turtle, good morning.
Ay, ang turtle nag-say good morning lagi. Oh, the turtle say good morning.
Dako sa isda. Oh, ada. Come. Hi turtle, good morning.
Oy.
Buho man sa na ako.
Wala, nakailan na si mong naong.
Yeah, hello. That's another one.
Hi turtle.
That's another one.
Oh. Hi turtle.
Sa una gagawin pagkainin sila.
Turtle. Oh, that's her siblings. That's your brother or sister? Oh, kada kanila. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dahil mukhaon ba na silang isda?
Oh, wala na pagkaon. Wala ka na the fishes.
Ah, mukhaon din na silang isda?
Kita ka sa mga isda? Yeah, wow.
Wala na yung mga isda. Guys, nindot kaya mong swimming pool.
Dili na swimming pool. Turtle pond.
This is our turtle pond here. Mag-walking me og 2 miles. Oh. It's like a safari, oh. So guys, I'm walking today with my friend. And we are in a big park. Okay, turn right. So the day today is
Baka na
beautiful, right?
piko-piko ba?
Kanang piko-piko kan pala sa mga old people.
Ngayon, guwapa kay ko dahil.
Gwapa kita.
Oh, yeah. Na-makeup di ako.
Guys, wala mi mag-makeup.
Tawagan si Arlene ha.
Tawagi ko na be. Natural beauty ra ni. Some people are walking right now, like 1 or 2 or 3. There's father and son with their dog. But they walk slowly. Una na sila kuano. Wala man ni sa una.
Ako, butangi. Picture eh.
Not guys, this is part of the park. Birds of the Coastal Prairie. Oh, yan. Did you know that over 170 species of birds have been seen here at Selva Rodriguez Park? Okay, char. Oh, wato ka mo ka mag 3 miles me. Oh. So guys, beautiful kaayo ang park diri guys. I feel like we are in the safari, friend. Yes.
Ikaw na pag-sign up. Email ra?
Oh, mura kag sign up.
Yeah, come on.
Mura na gud sign up para ng Facebook.
Okay.
Then you can you can see what's I think you cannot leave a comments kung naa kay mga balita sa tua. Dili ka maka-leave of comments kung dili ka subscribe. O dili ka kung wala ka sa YouTube naka-sign in. You can only leave a comments like for example mga topics sa mga government or politics ato wala nindot talaga ang trail no. So guys, it's been a while walking here in this place. They have a brand new na siya no. Yeah, walking trail. So guys, I'm gonna show you the brand new walking trail. My friend looks like a high school. See, look at them. You can relax here. The old people can relax right here. You know. Nice walking trail. Wala man ni sa una, no? Labago lagi ninindot siya kay gi-expand gid ba?
Kay mo ni say pasuhanan sa mga beauty pageant.
Ha?
Mo ni say pasuhanan sa mga beauty pageant.
Mo ni? Oh. Pasuhanan sa mga beauty pageant daw ni siya. Well, it's a beautiful day today. Look at this, guys.
Beautiful weather.
Yeah. Beautiful weather today.
You hear the birds singing?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's nature.
Small airplane. Practicing the pilot student. Yan. Feel good to walk, guys. Walking for try to have a goal of 3 miles. So guys, Ferrari Wildlife, we are in the Ferrari right now.
Can you imagine this is my happy place?
Yeah.
Malingaw man ko man tanawa. Oh, look at the greens.
It's beautiful. I like it. Hindot siya no kay.
Kan ako sa nasubi, ug ganahan kan
Ato ta dito sa sunod. Sige, ato ta dito sunod.
Daghan ko view.
Oh.
Di ba patukay tabi ang kami gustong kanta.
Sige ba, patukar na lang.
Kami mo gusto kantan. O mamulan ka ba?
Pwede po. Moapa si Arlene no.
Sibi ko no siya kung inan ngano mag-sibi man kaari ko sa diri tama na.
Oh. Kunya na ng HEB, di ba? Kailangan mag-walking muna tayo. Walking is the best. Is that looks like a cornfield?
Yeah.
That's cornfield? Corn. It looks like corn. Happy kayo kong friend. She's listening her favorite music. But I need to keep distance because I don't want to be copyright. She feel the music. She had her headphone. So guys, it's so beautiful today. It's such beautiful weather here. Look at that, guys. We are in the Ferrari Safari area. Location secret. This is a brand new trail they added in the park. As you can see, we are walking from there, distance there, and distance here. Guys, hindi yan mga mais. Mga sagbot lang yan. Hindi ko alam kung anong... Ay! Parang humay. Ano to? So guys, I'm very interested to know what is this. It's like a wild wheat, you know.
Hi, Manisa, you can where we start over here, come back. That's 1 mile and then another one.
Oh, sige.
Okay?
Okay, I'm just listening to the teacher. Yes, ma'am. Turn right, ta. Asa man si Arlene, uy? So guys, I made 2,615 steps. Then my friend, she had 3,000 steps na. So, yuso kay na siya.
Akong goal kay 10,000 diya.
10,000 per day?
Sometimes, niya, sahay di na ako ma-reach. Sahay, every other day, I can do it. Dili, good.
I have to take up. Guys, we don't have a blue bonnet here, but we have a lot of dandelion. See? Look at that. Dandelion's beautiful. Dandelion, the food of the rhino. Right? So beautiful here. Ayan. Tingnan nyo. Beautiful.